Alright, this is my Civic wagon, daily driven. I'm starting on body working and hopefully get it painted soon. It's not that much to do, a lot of small stuff, except the quarter panel. It was pushed in about a foot, but I popped it out as much as I can. Here I already circled, started sanding. I just popped out the hood. You don't see the dent there anymore. There was a big ass dent right there. Popped out as much as I can here. One more in the corner over there. Just making little clips as I go, and I'm gonna put them together for you guys. But stay tuned. Alright, so I haven't started on the hood yet, but all the doors bonded up. Still working on the quarter panel. Pillars are bonded up. The roof is all bonded. Doors, not too much on this side. I gotta do right here. Gotta do right here. Right there, right here, and quarter panel. So let's get down. Alright, so I spent about almost 3 hours now. Most of the body work is all filled up. I just need a little bit more sanding. I just did that today. This is all done. That needs to be done. This one needs to be redone. That's already done. This needs to be a little bit redone. The filler's already on there. I just need to sand it down and shape it up. Roof is all sanded. Oh my god, completely forgot about this one. But anyways, I need to sand these down right here. You can barely see it. These are all done here. It's all done. This needs to be sanded. This needs to be wet, sanded out. Yeah, I'm getting close to getting this shit done for paint. And stick around. My new project is gonna be done really quick. I already got my tires. I don't know if you can see it, but my tires are right here. Some 16s are on their way. That's it.